to another video, guys. So in this video we're gonna be learning 15 ball flicks for the intermediate player. I think I recently did a part 1, 10 ball flicks for beginners. They're just simple flicks, just get the ball off the ground, simple, easy, not really anything difficult, but in part 2, which there's gonna be, I think, a third series for, we're gonna be learning not 10 but 15, and these are not simple. Well, technically they are simple if you probably already know how to do them, but if you are average looking to go up the next step, then the flicks are gonna get more technical. So we're gonna be doing 15 ball flicks you can actually learn as an intermediate player. Again, man, I don't know the names of these ball flicks. I just know how to do them. So forgive me if I don't put the name on the screen or in the comment section or in the description. I don't know, but if you do know the names, well, good for you. Sadly, I don't. So look, let's get started. Let's get into the video, man. Now, if you've reached this part of the video, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I mean, man, I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, man. Hit the like button, man. Like, bro, what are you doing, bro? I put a lot of effort into this video, man. I want to help you become better. What are you doing, bro? Anyways, look, if you're enjoying the video so far, man, hit that like button and let's get to the next 7. So those are 15 intermediate skills you can actually learn. Now, some of these skills, like I said, some are more technical than others, some are more simpler than others, and some it'll take a whole lot of maneuver to actually pull these off. But these are the 15 that I chose to actually show you that, when you start doing this, you are on that intermediate level. This shouldn't really be difficult for you to do, especially if you want to get better. You have to put effort into learning this stuff. And that's it for part 2, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my information is actually helpful. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like. I hope you comment. I hope you share it with someone that you want to see become a baller. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.